Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. This review is on Full Throttle DMX. It's a multi-currency expert advisor built around 10 independent strategies and a genuinely conservative philosophy around stop loss events. Okay, now a quick note for you before we start. If you want a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 with plenty of built-in indicators and candlestick patterns, the link is in the description below. With respect to the platform, Full Throttle DMX is built for MetaTrader 5. Alright, now let's just walk through the marketplace page from the top. It is developed by Stanislav Tomilov, currently at version 1.5. Last updated on the 23rd of July 2026 with 10 activations. The tagline on the page reads, "Real strategy, real results." The pricing is 699 US dollars to buy right now, or 499 US dollars for a full year rental. The page notes that the price holds until June 1st, after which it rises to 799 with a final planned price of $1,499 as copies become more limited. But as at the time of recording this video is already July 26th, so I'm not really sure about what is going on here. But that is by the way. According to the description, this is a multi-currency expert advisor designed to trade Euro USD, AUD USD, NZD USD, Euro GBP, and AUD NZD. It's built around classical technical indicators and market logic rather than anything exotic. It contains 10 independent strategies, each aimed at different market conditions, and the page is explicit that it avoids greed trading, averaging, martingale, or other aggressive recovery methods. It runs on the H1 time frame as an intraday system, includes a built-in news filter, and trades across all 5 pairs to reduce dependency on any single market. Now, here is something important the developer flags before purchase, and it is worth passing on directly. The EA is described as sensitive to broker conditions, all right, and is optimized by default for a specific list of brokers, including IC Markets, IC Trading, RoboForex, Tickmill, DarwinX 0, XM, and Active Trades. It can work with other brokers, but low spread raw or ECN accounts are recommended, and cent accounts or high spread accounts specifically are not. The developer is also upfront that strategy tester results may look slightly better than real market conditions and recommends relying mainly on real signal performance rather than backtest results. And note that applies to EAs generally, not just this one. On features, the page lists things like no backtest manipulation, one trade per symbol at a time, strict stop loss and take profit protection, and no excessive curve fitting. There is also a dynamic stop loss and take profit system that adapts to changing market conditions, with every trade still protected by a hard stop loss underneath that, plus an intelligent trailing stop. Built-in safety filter include news, spread, and slippage filters, and the page notes its use is suitable for prop firm environments from a risk perspective, though compatibility with any specific firm is not guaranteed. One more thing worth passing on before we get to the backtest is that the developer includes a fairly detailed philosophy section on the page. All right, a stop loss being hit is described as a normal integral part of the strategy, not a system error. Performance is meant to be judged over 3 to 6 months or longer, not days or weeks, and periods with no trades at all are described as normal too, since the system can pause when it detects unstable market structure. The developer is also direct that this isn't built to be a smooth, gap-free tester grill equity curve. So now let's just quickly get into the historical testing. And one thing to flag right away is that this particular test ran on Euro USD only, not the full five pair portfolio that the EA is designed around. So keep that in mind as we go through it. I ran this test on a $10,000 account, H1 chart, covering January through July 2026, about 7 months. Total net profit for that period came out to a very large $93,720. Breaking that down, the gross profit was $116,454 against a gross loss of around $22,734, giving a profit factor of 5.12. The maximum balance drawdown was 12.65%, with equity drawdown peaking slightly higher at 15.98%. Out of 106 total trades, close to 88% were profitable. One detail worth pointing out is that the largest single losing trade came in at $8,855, which is essentially the entire maximum balance drawdown of the whole test period. In other words, this account's single worst stretch traces back to one stop loss event, which actually lines up with what the developer describes as a normal part of how the strategy is meant to work. Now, given how strong this particular test looks, and the developer's own repeated points that backtest results tend to look a little better than real trading conditions, I'll treat this specific number with that context in mind. And remember, it only reflects one of the 5 pairs that this EA is designed to trade across. So to wrap things up, based on the available information, Full Throttle DMX produced a strong result in this Euro USD only test, with a high win rate and a drawdown that traces mainly to a single stop loss event rather than a string of losses. That said, the developer is clear that this system is meant to be judged over a longer stretch of real trading and across its full multi-pair setup, not a single symbol backtest. So I'm going to recommend checking the live signal performance directly and testing your own broker conditions against the recommended list before drawing firm conclusions. If you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.